I'm gonna teach you quickly how to make a number counter in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new After Effects tutorial for each day of the year. Day 29 of 365. We'll go here to the text tool and now let's add some text. So you can type anything you want. So let's enter this text. We are going to make the number counter with the source text. So you go here to text and you will see the source text. And I'll click the stopwatch. Now, if you make quotation marks here, whatever you put here, like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will see now it displays that number. Or it could be a phrase, hello, anything. We can use this to use some dollar sign, a percentage, or whatever we want before our text. Now to make the number, we have to add a slider. So let's say slider control in effects. Once we have the slider here, we're gonna go here to the source text and let's add a plus, add a space. And now with the pick whip, you have to select this slider. Now once you select this slider, you will see this number. It will display anything it says in the slider. If we animate this, we make a keyframe here, go a little forward, and put, I don't know, 100. And you will see that now it goes from 0 to 100, but you will see a lot of decimals. And to get rid of all of that decimals, you gotta go here to the source text again. And let's change this code a little bit. We have to add a dot value that toFixed. Oh fuck, I can I can write toFixed. And here between the parentheses we have to put how many decimals we want. If we don't want decimals, we just put 0. And you will see now there's no decimals. And if we increase this to 1 or 2, it will increase the numbers of decimals. We can put here even 10. But now let's bring this to 0. We can add more text after this number. So we just add another plus sign and add quotation marks. And here we can type something like USD. And it will display USD, but let's put a space here. There you go. So now we have this. If we want to increase this even more to something like 20,000 and we want to see the commas, we can even increase this to 1 million. And we want to see the commas to separate the numbers. To make this more readable, we gotta go here to fix parenthesis 0. There you go. And we just have to paste the code that is in the description. So paste it with Ctrl V. And now you will see that now there are commas in the counter. So this is a easy way to add commas. You can see they are functioning really well. And if you want to go higher from 1 million, you have to change instead of using the slider control. Let's delete this and let's add a point. Also, we have numbers and we can move this number even higher than 1 million. So we have to go here to the expression and let's select the slider control until the dot value. We don't have to select the toFixed. And let's grab the pick whip and select the point. And as these have 2 numbers, we have to select one of those 2 numbers. So let's open brackets. If we type 0, we are going to select the first number. And if we type 1, we are going to select the second number. So let's select the first one, so type 0. Now you will see it says the same number as this. So we can bring this to, I don't know, millions. And let me keyframe this. So you can see we can keyframe this also. If you also want to write another text but next line, you can make this, let's add another quotation marks here. And to write down this text, we have to write down slash and it will go to in the line below. And here we can type anything we want. I'm gonna type dollars so you can see, and there you have it. We can also ease the keyframes. If we want this to start a little slow and end a little slow, you can ease with F9. And you can also even change the speed graph. So go here to the speed graph, grab the handle and move it a little bit. And there you can see the speed graph. Also, you can make these to end really slow, grabbing this and moving all the way. The last thing is that you can change from where the text is moving. So here in the paragraph, you will see this window. If you don't see the paragraph, you have to go here to window and select here paragraph. It will open this panel. So if you choose a line from left, it will look like this. If you choose from the center, it will move the whole text, and from the right, it will look like this. I'm gonna leave you this project file for download in the description, so you can use this project file and type anything, any number you want. Everything is set up. And so that's everything for today. I'll see you in the next tutorial. See you guys.